Hi everyone, today we have the software called Top Echelon software, and this is the best recruiting software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses on Top Echelon. Now jumping onto the platform, basically since it is a recruiting software for different type of management activities, you can see on the top we have people that we can add onto our platform. Of course, different type of people are going to be applying, and recruiting is a big thing that we need to filter out through a lot of people that apply onto companies. So you can also add your companies in here. You can see we have this option of companies. You can add new companies. You have your users in here and many other filters as well. You can see the search bar on the top. You can simply search for the companies. You have your advanced search, so if you click on that, you can see a lot of filters for keyword and location. We have our memo, so basically memo is a small keyword or a boolean type of phrase. You have your contact information, tags and codes, and much more. Similarly, we have the jobs itself. So basically you can add open jobs in here. In this section you have, like, for example, you can define whether it is a remote job, how many openings do you have, and your compensation, what is going to be the salary system, and each and every detail is going to be displayed in here. And you can give it a try and create your own self the jobs. You can see the open jobs that currently are here, and you have your filters on the right side. You can see constantly. So currently we are on the today section. You have your pinned. You can pin different type of companies, jobs in here, and you can click on these three lines to simply test it out. You can see we have this amazing feature, like for example, if you want to assign featured job and Facebook update, and all of these details could be added in here. Now we have our planner, so we can different type of scheduling activities could be done in this planner section. And similarly we have emailing reports, which is going to be telling us all of the activities that we are doing on the platform. So an amazing platform for recruiting systems, and so make sure to give a try to Top Echelon software. And if you are unsure about its reviews or what people think about it, let me tell you. So you can see, really easy to use. Top Echelon is a great CRM staffing platform. Make sure to try out Top Echelon software using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.